Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Ever wondered which YouTube play button is worth all the hype? Well, today, I'm breaking down all the YouTube play buttons so you know exactly what to aim for. First up, the silver play button. You get this shiny piece of hardware when you hit 100,000 subscribers. It's a major milestone and your first big taste of success on YouTube. It's sleek, metallic, and perfect for a little motivation boost. Next, the gold play button. This bad boy is for channels that hit 1 million subscribers. It's 10 times the subscribers, and let me tell you, it feels 10 times more rewarding. It's bigger, it's bolder, and it's guaranteed to make you feel like a rock star. Now, the diamond play button. Reaching 10 million subscribers is no joke. This one is massive. It's literally a diamond-shaped button encased in a clear box. It's the kind of thing you showcase in the center of your room. Just looking at it makes all those sleepless nights worth it. Then, there's the custom play button. Yes, they exist. For channels that surpass 50 million subscribers, YouTube sends out these insane custom awards. Think PewDiePie's Brofist or T-Series custom logo. These are super exclusive and a testament to your unique impact on the platform. And finally, the red diamond play button. Only a handful of creators have this one. It's for hitting 100 million subscribers. Just imagine that. It's a red crystal button housed in a silver-plated frame. It's the ultimate goal. So which one is worth the hype? Honestly, they all are. Each play button represents a significant milestone and a step toward your YouTube dreams. Aim high, work hard, and one day, you might just have a collection of these beauties on your wall. Keep creating, keep grinding, and who knows, you might be unboxing one of these awards sooner than you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome